Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima and you are welcome to another interesting video. Thank you so much for clicking. Please, if you're new, kindly tap that red subscribe button on your interface before you leave. Also tap that bell icon next to it so you could be notified on my future uploads. Today we are going to be making a DIY super moisturizing hair mask for extreme hair growth. Please keep on watching and I'll be right back. Welcome back. So my first ingredient is going to be fenugreek. As you can see, I have fenugreek seeds and fenugreek powder. To make this mask, all you need is fenugreek powder. So I just wanted to show you guys the two so that you know the actual one that we are going to be using for this recipe. So I'm going to be using 6 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. I know 6 tablespoons of fenugreek powder sounds like a lot, but keep on watching and see what I have to do with them. Just a quick background information. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron and protein, 2 essential nutrients for hair growth. They also contain a unique composition of plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins. These compounds are presumed to induce hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects. As you can see, I added 3 tablespoons of the fenugreek powder into the sieve and began sieving them. Because fenugreek powder always comes with chaff. I don't know, no matter how you grind them, they always come with chaff. And a lot of you don't know this, that when you use them in mask, they leave particles in your hair. But with this sieving method, you're going to get a very smooth paste. So this is what I got after sieving 3 tablespoons of that. And I'm going to pour the chaff in a separate bowl like so and set aside. Moving on to the remaining 3 tablespoons, I'm going to continue sieving. Please share with me in the comment section how you love to use your fenugreek powder. Do you prefer to use them like that, or you prefer to sieve them like I'm doing right now? So after the sieving process, here is what I have in my pot. This is approximately 3 tablespoons of fenugreek powder, if I'm not mistaken, because it's assumed that I sieved out 3 tablespoons and then I have 3 tablespoons left in the pot. I started adding water sparingly in my pot. I have about 125 ml worth of water in my beaker, which I'm going to be using to dissolve the powder. Please keep on watching to get all the processes. I'm using my wooden spatula to dissolve this. You have to make sure that there are no lumps in the paste, because you don't want lumps in this mask. You want it to be as smooth as possible. I'm still using the 125 ml worth of water to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. So I will keep on mixing this. You just have to be patient with this process. If not, you're going to end up with lumpy mask, if that's the word. So once I'm happy with what I have in the pot, that is after dissolving them, I'll place the pot on medium heat and stir for 5 to 10 minutes, or basically stir until you notice that the fenugreek paste has started to thicken up. Once it has started thickening up, bring down your pot and allow to cool a bit, not completely, but a bit, so that you can proceed with the next process. Next, get a clean bowl and transfer the paste into the bowl and set aside. So in whatever you're doing, you have to be very fast so that the mask doesn't dry up. They actually dry up when you leave them for long. So my next ingredient is going to be aloe vera. I will go ahead and prep this aloe vera by cutting off the ends and the spikes, just to get the whitish gel inside. That is the aloe vera gel. I'm going to be using the gel for this process. Please keep watching and be patient to see all the processes. Just a quick background information. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Do you have an aloe vera plant at home? If not, they are pretty easy to find at your local florist or supermarket. So this is what I'm basically looking for in the aloe vera leaf. I'm done prepping, and I'll go ahead and transfer my fenugreek paste into my blender, and then followed by my aloe vera gel into the blender as well. I'm going to be adding a very little water just to help with the blending process. And secondly, I really want this mask to be in between, not thick and not watery. Now look at that. Just look at that. Yummy. This is what your hair needs. I kid you not. This is the perfect DIY hair mask anyone can try out. No matter your hair type, you are good with this mask. I'm not going to be demonstrating how to use this mask in this video because I've already done that in the past severally. You already know the drill. So next, I'm going to be adding in eucalyptus essential oil. I'm going to be adding all the essential oils that I'm going to be using for this mask in 5 drops each. Next is lavender essential oil. I'm equally going to be adding 5 drops of that. All the essential oils added in this mask are going to be helping with growth, scalp issues, and all the good stuff they are made for. Next is peppermint essential oil. I'm going to be adding that in drops as well. 5 drops basically. Please, these are for me. Feel free to use any essential oil you have around you. You can as well skip essential oil. It is not compulsory that you must use essential oil for this. I'm going to go ahead and then stir that to combine all the ingredients, and I'm just doing this for fun. I'm trying to show you how smooth, how amazing this mask is by transferring them into another plate. This is exactly how your hair will look like if you're consistent with this mask. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.